Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth phone. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Now there was actually a facelift in 2013, so I'm not 100% sure if this will apply to 09 to 2012, but it should. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, one interesting thing about connecting the Bluetooth on these vehicles is that, at least to my knowledge, there is no option to do it through the radio. So if you press like the source, you will have FM, AM, and satellite radio, and even if you go through the menu, there is nothing mentioned about the Bluetooth. So only way I know how to do it is using the voice commands. Okay, so what you will have to do, you will have to press this button on the steering wheel and then you will have to follow the voice commands, just like I will do right now.
Ready?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth ready.
Pair.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
And now the next step is to find this vehicle on your phone.
Once the search is complete, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 1633. Again, the code is 1633.
So you want to write down this code because you will need it to pair your phone. So in my case, it's gonna be 1633, and new code will be generated every time you try to connect the phone. And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, so on your phone, first you want to enable the Bluetooth. And once that is done, you will get this Bluetooth menu. Now I have lots of devices paired here. So I want to go all the way down under available devices. Now this one, getting device name, this is the one that I need under the available devices. I just have to wait so it loads up. Your vehicle. I will select that. And now I'm in pairing process with the vehicle. And now the code the vehicle told me was 1633, and then I will press pair.
Please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
John.
About to store.
John.
Does that sound okay?
Yes. John.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
Done.
Dial using
No, John.
Please say the name or number to call.
Cancel.
Cancel. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
Exit.
There is currently no active route. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
Cancel.
Cancel. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.